Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and I'm extremely excited to be showing you this absolutely incredible home, Spring Gardens, nestled in the old town of Kenilworth. The property sits on a very private plot of approximately 2 acres. You've got your own pool, leisure facility, spa, and you've got these glorious grounds. It really is very special. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the amazing grounds of this absolutely beautiful home. As you can see, it's extremely private, beautifully landscaped, and yet you're just a short walk to Kenilworth Old Town. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.